Welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. Today, let's learn about Power Automate. One of the subscribers, and it happens to be my brother as well, has requested me to do a video on Power Automate. So here I am. So let's learn what is Power Automate, how do we log in onto it, and what are its benefits. So let's start. First and foremost, you need to log into the Microsoft Office website, the Office 365 login. And once you log in to the Office page, you will see a list of apps. Amongst all those apps, you need to click on the Power Automate app. So once you click on Power Automate, you will see the home page and quite a list on the left. So let's see what are those options. So first of all, Power Automate helps you to automate a lot of repetitive tasks that you do in your daily job. For example, if you have to send out a report every week, you can automate that. For example, if you need to ask somebody or any other department for some information every week or every month, you can automate that here. And for example, if you want yourself to be notified whenever you get an email from your client or from your boss, you can automate that here as well. So now let's go ahead and see how do we do that. On the left, if you have quite a list of options. When you click on My Flows, you will see the different flows that you have created. You haven't created any, so you will not see anything as of now. On the left again, you click on Create. You see the different types of flows that you can create. First is the automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, scheduled, desktop flow, and business process flow. So let's see what are those, and let's create one to understand them. And the templates option. As the name suggests, templates. So there are different templates, as you can see, which are created by the Microsoft community. All you need to do is select the template that helps you the most, and then it will be automatically done. For me, the best and the easiest one, my favorite is the boss. For example, when you're working from home, you tend to move away from your system for a while. And so happens that you get an email from your boss at the very same time. So how if you have a script, an automation in which you get notified on your phone as soon as you get a message, an email from your boss. So when you type in boss in search, you see 4 automated templates which have already been created for you. So first one says get a push notification when you receive an email from your boss. So when you select this, you'll get a push notification. Get a text when you receive an email from your manager. So this template or this automation helps you in getting a text message on your phone when you get an email. So the same way, so on and so forth. So let's select this one. So when you click on this, you see the different connectors involved in this. It shows that when you get an email in your Office 365 Outlook account, and then you get a notification. So let's see what are the different connectors. As I said, Office 365 again, the users, and then the notification. And if you see the different accounts, you need to be logged into the different accounts, and you need to see that it has a valid connection as well before you create the flow. So once you click on create flow, it will give you the summary and the notifications. So for example, after you create this, you need to have the Power Automate app for this template. Okay, you need to install the Power Automate app on your phone for you to get the notification. So what this flow does is, as soon as the email is sent, as soon as an email is received in your inbox, it searches and sees whether this email is from your mapped manager in Outlook, and if it meets that condition, if it meets that trigger, then it will send you a notification on your phone using the Power Automate app. So that's how you use a template. That's how you use the template in your Power Automate app. So when you go to My Flows now you see a flow already created. So now let's go back to templates and see how do we search templates. For example, there's a repetitive task which I always do. As soon as I upload a video on YouTube, I tend to go ahead and send the links of those videos on the other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So let's see what are the templates available for YouTube. Type in YouTube and hit enter. Okay, so it says receive an email notification when a new video matches the search on YouTube. When a YouTube video is uploaded, send me an email. Share YouTube video on Twitter. I think so this matches my criteria. So let's click on share YouTube video on Twitter. Okay, so these are the different connectors, YouTube and Twitter. So it says that this flow will connect to YouTube and then Twitter. Okay, so this is the trigger. So when I upload a video on YouTube, I want to post a tweet. So as soon as I upload a video on YouTube, so there is a tweet which is sent out with the, you can also select what you want the tweet to contain. You can connect video list, it can contain the web link. So here it is already selected the body of the YouTube video. So that's how you can create a Power Automate flow using the template. So now if you save this, it will come under My Flows. Okay, so we have created two flows using the templates. Now let's go ahead and see how do we create a flow from scratch. So here you see 5 different types of flows that you can create under the create option from scratch. So let's check out how do we create an automated cloud flow. So an automated cloud flow is nothing but a flow which is triggered by an event. It needs to have a trigger. Okay, now let's see how do we create the same flow of as soon as I upload a video on YouTube, how do I actually send an automated message on Twitter. So type in YouTube. Okay, select YouTube here. That's the trigger. When I upload a video is the trigger. And what is the action that you want to take? Choose an action. Under action you type in Twitter. And you want to post a tweet. That will be your action. So you can say, okay, the text should be video web link, and that's it. You don't want any media to be posted. So that's it. So this is the trigger. So whenever you upload a video, this is the action that will be taken automatically once you save this video. Once you save this, okay, so when you go back to My Flows, now you see the third one, so which we have just created. Okay, now let's go back to create and see the instant cloud flow. So instant cloud flow is nothing but a flow which is created by you. Unless until you go ahead and manually do it, it will not be triggered. So the previous one was based on an event that had a trigger. This is done manually. So this is done instantly. So let's skip this. For example, if you want a notification on your phone as soon as you receive an email from your client. So let's type in email and select Outlook. When a new email arrives, select that and go to advanced options. When it's sent to you, you can type in your email address when it's sent marked to you, and then from here you can enter your client's email address, and here you can enter your email address. Okay, your email, and then you so what this will do is, as soon as an email is in your inbox which is marked to you, only you, and and then nothing, the CC, and especially when it comes from this particular client. Okay, so that's how you need to, I'm just putting some random emails. You can put the exact email addresses that you want. So this is the trigger, and then the new step would be, what action do you want? you want a notification to come on your phone. So you want a mobile notification or an email notification. So for example, you want a mobile notification. You can say, okay, email from client. You can put that text here, and you can also add which client have sent you. When you select from, it will also copy and paste the name of the client here in your notification. So that's it. That's how you create a flow for this particular category. And okay, now let me save that so that it appears in your my flows as well. Okay, so we have created a automated cloud flow in which we did the trigger for YouTube to Twitter, and then we had this instant cloud flow in which you created a flow in which you get a notification on your phone as soon as an email from a client is received. Now let's see the scheduled cloud flow. In the scheduled cloud flow, this helps in reducing the admin work that you do a lot. Maybe, for example, if you want to remember an email that you have to send to maybe a birthday email. Okay, flow name, say happy birthday. You can also, when you want to send it on February 28th, which is my brother's birthday, at 10 a.m. and repeat this you want to be repeating every month or every second or every week. So I want to repeat this every 12 months. Okay, so every year it will create a sequence, it will create a flow. So we have created a recurrence here. And what action do you want? You want to send an email. So you want to send an email notification. Okay, to whom? So you can send it to your brother. Put the email notification, put the email address there, and then subject is happy birthday, and then here you can type best wishes and what do you want to type here. So that's it. So this one helps you in creating a recurrence every year that we created, and then this is the action that it will take. So let's save that. So that's it, guys. So these are the different flows that you can create under Power Automate. So we have created an automated cloud flow, we have created an instant cloud flow, we have also created a scheduled cloud flow. So scheduled cloud flow triggers at a certain time, at a certain schedule. Instant cloud flow has to be triggered manually, and automated cloud flows are triggered based on an event, based on triggers. So these two are high-end flows which we'll cover in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.